You won't want to miss billionaire scientist Chamath Palihapitiya's outrageous price target projections for Tesla stock in a recent interview if you're interested in the company's future and how it will transform robotics, renewable energy, transportation, and insurance. Palihapitiya explains his reasoning and why he thinks Tesla's stock price will soar to previously unheard of heights in the stock market. We'll be talking about it in this video. So please give it a huge thumbs up before it ends and remember to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. As it continues to upend the automobile industry with its emphasis on addressing climate change, Chamath predicts that Tesla will see tremendous growth, doubling and tripling in value. Tesla is anticipated to profit from the global transition to renewable energy sources, which will also upend the power utility sector, notwithstanding complaints about its high share price. According to Chamath, Tesla will play a significant role in this upheaval, which will cause its stock price to rise steadily. Chamath said that the most interruption will affect electrical utilities. The global infrastructure for energy generation is linked to trillions of dollars in bonds, capital expenditures, and value. When this is turned upside down, Tesla will double and triple once more. Given the increased concern about climate change and the expanding use of renewable energy sources, Chamath believes Tesla will play a big role in this disruption. Furthermore, energy costs in the United Areas may double every 10 to 15 years due to the fact that they are compounding at a rate of 3 to 4% annually in several areas. This gives Tesla the chance to offer a more affordable and environmentally friendly energy option. A prime example of a monopolistic industry is the utility sector, which is required by law to make a specific yearly investment in modernizing power lines, replacing turbines, and guaranteeing a seamless switch from coal to wind power. Every 5 to 8 years, consumers are hit with a 100% increase in their bills because of the maintenance and replacement costs of outdated infrastructure, even if energy generation is free. With its distributed energy business, which focuses on capturing, storing, and using energy in a way that increases human productivity, Tesla has the chance to upend the utility sector. An excellent illustration of a business that is aggressively combating climate change is Tesla. According to Chamath, the wealthiest person on the planet ought to be an advocate for a sustainable future, and Tesla is leading the charge in this regard. Tesla's emphasis on sustainable mobility and renewable energy has produced a distributed energy company that is transforming our understanding of energy by effectively and sustainably capturing, storing, and using it. By lowering their environmental effect, Tesla is enabling people to be productive. Entrepreneur and venture capitalist Chamath Palihapitiya recently called on investors to back business people who are bringing about big changes in the world, including Tesla's endeavors to provide renewable energy and build a sustainable future. Palihapitiya thinks it is foolish to wager against Tesla's success, particularly given the growing need for green energy, despite Wall Street analysts' worries about the high price of Tesla shares. He clarified that in order to compete with the 1,700 public utility firms in the country, each of the 100 million homeowners worldwide will eventually construct their own small power plant as people seek to live more sustainably. Chamath has been promoting the idea that investors should back businesses that are dedicated to changing the world for the better. He recently cited Tesla as an example of a business producing clean energy and striving for a sustainable future. Palihapitiya thinks it would be foolish to wager against Tesla's success, even though some analysts are worried about the high price of its shares. This is especially true given the growing need for green energy. He believes that more and more individuals would seek to control their energy use and live more sustainably. In order to compete with the 1,700 public utility firms in the country, he believes that every one of the 100 million homeowners worldwide will eventually construct their own miniature power plant. Chamath is especially enthusiastic about Tesla's endeavors to produce sophisticated real-world artificial intelligence, which powers their electric vehicles and may be utilized to build wheeled or leg-equipped robots. He believes that Optimus, Tesla's robot, has the ability to upend the market in the same way that the iPhone did. He thinks Tesla will continue to set the standard for creating cutting-edge AI technology because of their proficiency in this field, which provides them a significant edge over rivals. Additionally, Chamath discussed game-changing products and how they increased their market share. He gave the examples of solar panels and battery electric cars, EVs, which are currently profitable for homes. He clarified that these items are instances of how a tiny portion of buyers, referred to as believers, buy the product with the hope of a better future. He thinks that solar panels and battery EVs have become profitable options for millions of homes, thanks to government incentives like those put in place by President Biden. Additionally, he was enthusiastic about Tesla's next initiatives, especially Optimus, the company's humanoid robot. The robot has a lot of promise, according to Chamath, who thinks it might upend the market in a similar way to how the iPhone did when it was initially released. According to Chamath, one of Tesla's main advantages is its sophisticated real-world AI. Tesla has made significant investments in artificial intelligence, AI, primarily for self-driving cars, but robotics can also benefit from this technology. Tesla has achieved great success in autonomous driving thanks to its AI capabilities, which are regarded as some of the most advanced in the world. From basic housework to more complicated jobs like manufacturing and construction, Optimus is intended to be a humanoid robot that can handle a variety of duties. With the help of a variety of sensors and cameras, the robot will be able to precisely do jobs, navigate the environment, and identify things and people. With Optimus, Tesla is well positioned to transform the robotics sector because to its AI expertise and electric car experience. Tesla wants to build a robot that is not only competent, but also reasonably priced so that a larger spectrum of consumers may use it. Speaking of humanoid robots, Chamath thinks their primary benefit is that they need to be able to walk on their own and complete tasks without needing to be taught to respond. He also poses intriguing queries about what the economy would entail if the output per person was far higher and the robot-to-human ratio was greater than 1-to-1. Last but not least, Chamath offered his thoughts on why Elon Musk is such a singular leader and a force of nature, stating that very few people in the world are able to create something as monumental as Elon, and even fewer are prepared to live in their factory and sleep on the floor in order to realize their vision. This concludes the video. Nonetheless, here is a brief summary. We talked about Chamath Palihapitiya's forecasts for Tesla's future, which include how it will transform robotics, renewable energy, insurance, and transportation. According to Chamath, Tesla's stock will double or triple in value as it continues to upend the auto sector and play a significant role in the global transition to renewable energy sources. He hailed Tesla's AI prowess, particularly its humanoid robot Optimus, which he thinks has the potential to upend the market in the same way that the iPhone did. Chamath also thinks that investors should back businesses that are aiming for a greener future because of Tesla's innovations, which will continue to transform the globe. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in the next video.